Interdicted Central Police Station Commander Samson Talaam will be the guest of the state for the next 15 days, pending investigations into the death of teacher Albert Ojwang Omondi. Trial Magistrate Ben Mark Ehubi ruled that the prosecution had adduced compelling reasons to show Talaam could use his influence to interfere with the witnesses. This even as Independent Policing Oversight Authority investigator Abdirahman Jibril was summoned for mischief in using Talaam's mobile phone that is under his custody to solicit money from members of the public.
Appearing in court Wednesday for the ruling, Samson Talaam waited patiently for his pre-charge bail. The prosecution and the IPOA team had on Monday applied to detain him for 21 days, citing the complexity of the exercise.
Reasonably and logically, and because I'm a student of common sense and the law, and commonsensically starts counting from 16. According to us, the counting from 16, that would also be supported by the fact that the court gave its days in relation to the date of delivery of the ruling.
Trial Magistrate Ben Mark Ehubi ruled that the prosecution had stated 4 compelling reasons to detain Talaam, but fear of interference with witnesses, given his rank as a chief inspector, caught the court's attention.
It is also not controverted that the scene of crime was tampered with, where the CCTV surveillance system installed at the station were interfered with. Cumulatively, having laid down the evidence pointing to the possibility of respondents interfering with the witness and investigation, I can sagaciously adjure that the state has credibly and specifically demonstrated the likelihood of such interference.
The court also noted that in his 29 years of service, Talaam has a rich network across the country and could apply the Blue Code of Silence to cover up on the matter.
The investigating officer, Abdirahman Jibril, estimated that they are 49% through with the investigation. Extrapolating from that figure, I direct that the respondent shall be remanded for a period of 15 days to allow the conclusion of investigation.
The magistrate further summoned IPOA investigator Abdirahman Jibril to court this Friday, 20th June, to respond to claims by Talaam's lawyers of using his phone, which is in his custody, to solicit money from the phone contacts.
And then we can summon the investigating officer, Mr. Jibril, to shed light, because, through I understand he has communicated through a message.
Meanwhile, the interdicted OCS will remain in custody until 1st of July this year. The Blue Code of Silence that is covering up of police officers has denied Talaam freedom of liberty, even as investigations into the death of teacher Albert Ojwang gathers momentum. Rose Wamboi reporting from Milimani Law Court.